हाय गाइस, इट्स रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं अर्बन अटायर हॉट का रिव्यू शेयर करने वाली हूँ। दिस वन इज़ अ परफ्यूम फ्रॉम अल गज़ल एंड दिस लुक्स लाइक अ फ्रिकिन रेड क्लच पर्स. So cute. I have consolidated my thoughts and review for this one, so let's begin. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब कर लिया, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So let me share the packaging. It comes in this box, red box, on which the purse is made. पीछे की तरफ brand details like this is provided by Tresco and Al Ghazal perfumes and ingredients and all of that. This is an 100 ml perfume and this is priced for 1,499 rupees. You can get this at uvora.com. And this is how the perfume bottle looks like. Yes, a beautiful purse. I really like the presentation on this one. This is a very giftable fragrance. Like, the packaging is just super cute. And once you open this cap, this is how the perfume bottle is, kind of like a shiny red metallic bag. And the atomizer is super nice, like sprays the perfume really well. And talking about the notes breakdown and how this perfume is, to my nose, this one is a very aromatic, a very leathery, a very animalic fragrance, which is mature, which is kind of raw, and which is kind of strong and different. It's a very unique fragrance, and I don't see many female fragrances or fragrances that are marketed for women made in this way, because this comes out as a very strong leather in my opinion. Like, you just need to like the animalic fragrances for you to appreciate the beauty of this perfume. This one is strong, kind of has a aromatic aroma. You know, this is woodsy, it has freshness, it has lots of animalic and leather feel to it, and this is something which is a very strong fragrance. This kind of lasts on me for 7 to 8 hours, and at some point of time I literally have to wash my skin to kind of get rid of this fragrance, because this is a strong perfume. Creates a good scent bubble around me, and the projection and sillage on this is moderate. Since the scent bubble is strong, people do tend to notice this. This does have like a very dry quality to it, like it feels like dry woods to me in the dry down. So it does not have that like green freshness to it. It kind of has this very nice aromatic woodsy leathery feel to it. I definitely don't find this to be a safe blind buy, and by the structure that this has, I think the animalic notes in this is very strong, which kind of makes it more masculine fragrance than a feminine fragrance in my opinion. I do have to kind of use this in layering combination with other fragrances for me to kind of like, adjust to that strong leatheriness that's present in this perfume. Definitely not a safe blind buy, and definitely not for everyone. You really need to like those aromatic, dry, leathery fragrances to enjoy this fragrance. This is a very different and a very unique fragrance, but you really need to like animalic notes in order to appreciate this one. For me, this one is like a 6 or a 7 out of 10, because I am not someone who like loves animalic and leathery fragrances. I find this to be very manly in my opinion, like something which is kind of very on your face and very raw energy. The name hot is kind of not justified on this one, because to me red hot has a different sex appeal to it, a different feel to it. So to me this is more like a you know a raw manly perfume is how I want to put it. So yeah, my overall rating on this fragrance is 6 or 7 out of 10. I am not a huge fan of this scent profile, and I'm not able to kind of get my mind to use this fragrance. Like, every time I reach out to this fragrance and then I deviate and go for something else, because I'm not in the mood for this. So I really need to be in a mood to wear something like this. I wear this only in the evenings or night time, and I do layer it with some other fragrance to kind of balance it. Most of the days I layer this with Prime XS, and this one is also from Al Ghazal. This one is a nice lavender based kind of like fresh fragrance, which is kind of balsamic, so kind of balances the leather vibe in this, and these two in kind of layering combination I do enjoy wearing, but this on its own is a little more challenging for me to wear. So yeah, that brings us to the end of the video. That was everything about Urban Attire Hot. Hope that you liked watching this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.